అదే మనకి చిన్నది కలెక్షన్ ప్రైమరీ అంటే మాత్రం చేశాను ఎంత ಈ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಡಿ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆಚೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ So dear students, good morning. Welcome back to live revision classes. Yesterday we have revised few chapters, right? Few chapters. Today we continue revising chapter-wise important key notes. Yesterday I have shared the formula sheet in the group also. Now, the important thing is we go with the unit polynomials. With the unit polynomials. What is the finger? Dear students, the important concept from the unit polynomial is finding, the first question is finding the degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. In what way? Finding the degree of the polynomial, that is for the given linear equation, linear polynomial or quadratic polynomial or any kind of polynomial. See, this is for the given polynomial, that is p of x. For the variable x, what is the highest power? The highest power here is 2. The variable x, we have the powers 3, 2, 1 and 0. Therefore, the highest power is 3 here. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is 3. So, degree of the polynomial is an important concept. You can expect it for 1 mark. What is the degree of the polynomial? The highest power of the variable is called as degree of the polynomial. And also, they can ask you value of polynomial. For example, for the given polynomial p of x equals 5 x squared plus 2. So this is an example. For this polynomial, if I ask you to find out p of, if I ask you to find out p of 1, what we do? Replace x by 1. Replace x by 1. 5 into 1 square plus 2. 1 square is 1. 1 5 are 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Whatever the value it is asked, replace the value of the x by what? The given value. If I ask you to find the p of 2, what you do? Replace x by what? 2. Again, it is an important concept for 1 mark. Then finding the zeros of the polynomial when it is represented graphically. Consider this as the given polynomial p of x. Here, the polynomial p of x touches the x-axis at 3 points. How many points? 1, 2, 3. That means number of zeros is 3. The number of points at which the given polynomial touches the x-axis is called as what? The number of zeros. For this p of x, it touches the x-axis at 2 points. Therefore, the number of zeros is 2. So this is an repeated question in the examination. And next, summarize product of sum and product of polynomial. For the given polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, the sum of polynomial, the sum of zeros, the sum and product of zeros, that is alpha plus beta. Consider the zeros as alpha and beta. Product of zeros, alpha plus beta equals minus b by a. Alpha into beta is c by a. This is how we calculate the sum of zeros and product of zeros. The sum of zeros is given by minus b by a, and the product of zeros is given by c by a. And when zeros are given, when the zeros are given, you can form the quadratic polynomial by x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros, that is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta. For example, if I give alpha equals 2, beta equals 3, then x square minus 2 plus 3 is 5, 5x plus 2 into 3 is 6. Therefore, the sum of zeros is 5, product of zeros is 6. If we substitute that, we will get the quadratic polynomial. And also you can expect this time you can expect a division algorithm for 3 marks. Division algorithm. Dividing p of x by g of x, finding q of x and r of x. You can expect it for 3 marks, very important question. And also when the zeros are given, for example, then 2 and minus 2 minus 2 root are the zeros of the polynomial. Finding the other zeros. Finding the other zeros are very important. Again, it is for 3 marks. Based on division algorithm of polynomials, this time you can expect it for 3 marks. So these are the important concepts you should learn from the unit polynomials, and also from the unit statistics. From the unit statistics, the important question is mean, median, mode, and mosaic. Mean, median, mode, and mosaic. Out of these 3 concepts, 2 questions will be asked. Out of each question will be of 3 marks. It is a 3 marks important question. Either mean, median or median mode or mean and mode will be asked in our question. You can find out at least minimum if you learn any two concepts, definitely it will be appearing in the exam. Either mean, median or mode. If you learn all these three, definitely can score 6 marks. OJ less than type or more than type OJ for 3 marks. So total you can score 6 marks from this unit. Total you can score 6 marks. You should learn mean, median or mode. Out of these three, 2 questions will be asked. And based on OJ, you can expect less than or more than type OJ for 3 marks. Mean is of 3, by 3 methods you can find out the mean. In examination, you can use any method to find out the mean unless it is mentioned. Median equals L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Same way, mode equals L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Based on this, definitely can expect one definite 3-mark question. Out of these three, 1 question for 3 marks, 2 questions will be asked in all of in choice questions, and OG for definite 3-mark questions. Based on probability, the probability of any event, this probability of event A is number of favorable event divided by total number of all the possible events. That is P of A equals N of A by N of S. Based on this concept and based on this probability concept, you can expect 1 plus 2 or directly it will be asked for 3 mark a single question. That is probability of an event is given by N of A by N of S. Probability of sure event is what? 1. Probability of impossible event. Probability of impossible event is 1. Probability of all the elementary events. Probability of all the elementary events is 1. Sum of probability of all the elementary events is 1. The probability of sure event is 1. The probability of impossible event is 0. And the probability of an event and its complement of its event equals 1. The probability of an event and its complement is 1. You can, based on this, you can expect 1 mark question. Probability of winning a game is 0.34. What is the probability of losing it? It will be 1 minus 0.34, you get 0.66. Next important chapter is coordinate geometry. The distance between 2 points is given by d equals x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Again, it is for 2 mark. Distance between the origin and the point is given by x square plus y square. This will be asked for 1 mark. The distance between the 2 points is given by d equals, you can repeat it, d equals square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and the distance between the point and the origin is given by d equals square root of x square plus y square, and also the section from p of x comma equals mx2 plus mx1 divided by m plus m comma n by 2 plus n by 1 divided by m plus l. Now, if it is divided in the ratio 1:1, that means it is a midpoint, right? So midpoint form is given by 1 into x2 is x2, 1 into x1 is x1, 1 plus 1 is 2, in the same way y2 plus y1 by 2. If it is asked, it will be asked for 3 marks, and based on midpoint, it can be asked for 1 mark. Simple 4 formulas, definitely you can expect that questions. Next, finding the area of triangle for 3 marks are based on the collinear. For the concept of collinear, they will be asking you to find out the value of k, that will be asked for 3 marks. Which is area of triangle equals half into x, y minus 5, x6, y minus 5, x6, y minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 5, 3, 1, 2. If you write the numbers in the cyclic order, you get the area of triangle formula. Based on this, finding the area of triangle, or based on the condition of collinear, finding the value of k, it is an important 3-mark question. Okay, students, from the unit triangles, you should learn all the 4 or 5 theorems. Importantly, Pythagoras theorem creates a criteria and areas of similar triangles. First, if you learn these 4 theorems and solve the problems on concept of theorem, concept of Pythagoras theorem, and one simple questions on areas related to similar triangles. From the unit real numbers, we can ask 1-mark statement questions, and also the statement of fundamental theorem of arithmetic, statements of Euclid's lemma, then 1-mark finding HCF, LCM or relationship between HCF and LCM from 1-mark. Proving finding HCF by Euclid's division algorithm, and also finding the LCM by using the relationship between HCF and LCM of 2 numbers, and also proving 5 plus root 3 or 2 plus root 2. These kind of questions will be asked for 2 marks, and also proving root 2 or root 3 or root 5 will be asked for 3 marks. So you should understand from which unit what kind of questions will be asked, that will help you to learn better. Students, if you solve any question, if you want to solve any question from any trigonometry and surface areas and volume, you should learn the formulas first. Tomorrow after revising the surface areas and volumes, trigonometry and some applications of trigonometry and what are the chapters which is remaining, it's without knowing the formula, it is very difficult to solve any question. So by tomorrow, try to learn all the formulas, what are the formulas it has shared. Try to learn all the formulas by today itself, so that at least in the examination, if you write the formula, at least you get the half marks. So from the unit circles, based on tangent, the line it touches the circle at a single point is called as tangent. The line intersecting the circle at 2 points. Only 1 point, it is tangent. If it is intersecting at 2 points, it is secant. So based on tangent and secant, you can expect 1 mark, and also the number of tangents inside the circle is 0, the number of tangents on the circle is 1, the number of tangents from the external point will be 2. the number of tangents from external point is 2, the number of tangents on the circle, the number of tangents can be drawn to a circle on single point is 1, and inside the circle it is 0. Number of tangents can be drawn to a circle will be infinite. But number of tangents can be drawn to a circle at a point is 1. And based on circle tangent theorem, and circle tangent theorem you can expect it for 3 marks. Then the angle between the radii, angle between the tangents will be supplementary. Based on this you can expect 1 mark. So the angle between the radii and the tangent at the point of contact is 90 degree. Based on this you can expect 1 mark, 1 question. Areas related to circles, at least you should know all the formulas. That is finding the circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r, area of rectangle, L into B, area of square, L square, that is electric length, area of circle, pi r square. Then area of sector, theta by 360 into pi r square. Length of an arc is 360 into 2 pi r. At least if you know, and area of triangle is half into base into height. If you learn all these concepts, if you learn all these formulas, based on this only the problems will be there. Construction of similar triangles, scale factor more than 1 or less than 1 or 3 mark, and also construction of tangent to a circle when the distance between the point is given or the angle is given. Based on this you can expect 2 marks. For construction total you can expect 5 marks. Tomorrow we will revise trigonometry, applications of trigonometry, and also surface areas and volumes. But before that, you should learn all the formulas. Without learning the formulas, you cannot solve any question from these 3 units. Already I have shared the formula sheet. Try to download that, take a print out, and learn all the formula sheet. With regard to science, after from Monday onwards, I will be taking the science revision classes. Tomorrow also we will have the diet classes. Thank you for attending the session, students. If you have not subscribed, do subscribe the channel.